Is your air conditioner running but not cooling your home properly? PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning provides fast, reliable, and affordable AC not cooling repair services in Reading, Pennsylvania and surrounding areas. Our experienced AC technicians are trained to diagnose and repair all types of air conditioning issues, from low refrigerant levels and frozen evaporator coils to clogged air filters, faulty thermostats, and compressor problems. If you have any questions, please contact our AC technicians team. Are you looking for AC technicians near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning. Why is my AC running but not cooling my house? Several issues can cause your air conditioner to stop cooling properly, including low refrigerant levels, dirty air filters, frozen evaporator coils, thermostat malfunctions, clogged condensate drains, or compressor problems. A professional inspection can identify the exact cause and restore your system's performance. How much does AC not cooling repair cost? The cost depends on the cause of the problem and the repairs needed. Minor issues such as thermostat adjustments or filter replacements are typically less expensive than major repairs involving refrigerant leaks or compressor replacement. We provide honest assessments and transparent pricing before any work begins. What is your service area for the Reading, Pennsylvania service office? Our AC technicians have served Reading, Leesport, Garfield, Burnville, North Heidelberg, Brownsville, Robisonia, Wernersville, Moulton, Temple, Laureldale, Penside, Rifton, Shillington, Baumstown, Birdsboro, Scarlett's Mill, Plowville, Reinholds, Swartzville, Pennsylvania. Where is your Reading, Pennsylvania office located? We are located at 400 Washington Street, number 109, Reading, Pennsylvania 19601. Our phone number is 610-672-3044. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/air-duct-cleaning-service-reading.